Ciao and benvenuti. Today I will be sharing another very simple but yet very delicious recipe. It's a lemon with ricotta and spinach pasta, and in my case I will be adding also some smoked salmon, but if you're vegetarian you can leave it out. And I'll start with some olive oil in a saucepan, followed by a couple of small cloves of garlic which I've just crushed. Leave it to sizzle for 30 seconds, no more, otherwise it will burn, and I will add my spinach. A quick mix, I'll place the lid on and we'll leave them to cook for a couple of minutes. And within 2 minutes the spinach will have reduced drastically in volume, and I'm going to add my ricotta. A quick mix followed by the juice from half a lemon and also the zest from the same half lemon. Water is boiling, I'll add a little salt. The salt in the water will be the only salt I'll be adding to this recipe, as the smoked salmon is quite salty, but also I'll be adding some cheese in a little while. So I will put my linguine in. I'm using linguine today. You can also use spaghetti, or even better, if you've got some fresh tagliatelle, oh, they'll be absolutely delicious. The linguine will cook up until a couple of minutes before they're al dente, so I'll use this mug and I'll pinch some of the starchy water which I'll need to finish cooking them later, and I'll go and drain them. And I will add them to my spinach and ricotta, followed by some of my reserved starchy water so I can finish cooking them. And I'll continue mixing them. It'll take about 1 minute until they will become al dente. And I'm nearly ready. I'll add some Parmesan cheese next, earlier mentioned smoked salmon, so this is when I'm going to add it in, and some black pepper. And I'll give everything one final mix. And I'm ready to serve. Looking really nice. You can also garnish it further with a little bit more lemon zest and one final touch of Parmesan on the top. And let's try some, and I'll get some salmon in there. I've got no words. It's absolutely delicious. Try, so simple to make, less than 20 minutes, absolutely wonderful. Arrivederci, grazie, and as always, buon appetito. Ciao ciao.